What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Mask Network, which has pumped up in value quite a bit, 53% up in the last 24 hours, making it $3.58. As you can see, it was trading at around $2.20, $2.30, and then all of a sudden earlier this morning it pumped up in value all the way up to nearly hitting the $4 mark, or even going past the $4 mark. As you can see, $4.17, and then right now has taken a little dip, but it's still trading at $3.59, which is quite good. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell if you're on a profit? Or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. We can see here in the last 24 hours, the market is down 1%. However, Mask Network has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, it is up 55% in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has dropped just over 3%. However, what matters is the overall outcome over the last day, which is 55%. Over the week, 224% up, guys. As you can see, it's been going at a consistent value up and down, but overall it has been moving in a positive direction. Even here in late October, about a couple of days ago, 3-4 days ago, we can see it popping up in value, hitting around, let's have a look, it all started about $1.14 a week ago, and right now has nearly tripled its value, and over the month is up 216%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 260% in the last 24 hours, making it $924 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Mask Network. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. 81% buy against 19% sell. So yeah, a majority of the people are investing, buying it right now, even though yes, it is a risky time because it's gone up so much in value. It's very likely it's going to take a slight dip, but we'll get into that right now. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Mask Network, which at the moment is $1.61. However, it is trading at more than double its average value at $3.58, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall minimal decrease in value. However, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. We are going to see green candles where it's going to be up, red candles when it's going to be down. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the negative side, so do expect an overall minimal drop in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've kind of got a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, we should be more or less fluctuating between $3.50 to $3.60. is what my predictions are as of right now. However, as you guys know, this may change according to any new updates, any new news, any collaborations that Mask Network's got going on. But at the moment, these are my takes. Obviously, we are going to see green days, red days, up and down, but the overall outcome by mid next week seems to be more on the neutral side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking very, very bullish, guys. As you can see, the lines are looking very steep, going in a positive direction. However, the only reason for that is the last couple of days. As you can see, the last week and a half, we've been hitting major green candlesticks. So the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. That is not what I'm expecting. Even though, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value over the coming weeks, I'm not expecting much, a major increase in value or anything like that. So we're talking about mid-December to late December. So towards the end of this year, we should be seeing Mask Network trading around the $4.50 to $5 mark by the end of the year. And again, that may seem like a major increase in value to some of you, but again, that's in the space of about 6-7 weeks, 8 weeks time, which is a slow and steady increase in value, which is exactly what we want to see. We don't want to see a crypto doing a major increase in value out of nowhere and then dropping back down in value, because that is not sustainable at all. We want a project to be a slow and steady increase in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since February 2022. So for about a good 8 to 9 months now, we've been trading in the red zone. We've been getting worse over time. However, we are slowly starting to recover, moving in a positive direction. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $6.02, which at the moment requires just about 100% increase, which I'm not expecting from Mask Network at the moment. So more or less, guys, for the rest of the year, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter. What matters is, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards positive direction, we should be good to go. But at the moment, the red zone it is. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high do you guys predict Mask Network to go in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments, especially people saying, it's going to drop all the way back down, it's a pump and dump token, so on and so on, and others are saying it's going to hit $10, $15, $20 or whatever it is. Guys, personally, the $10 mark cannot be hit this year, because it's going to have to go for a major increase to hit the $10 mark. Hopefully Q1 of 2023, we should be heading towards the $10 mark is what my predictions are. Guys, if you want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto, as a lot of you guys have asked for. But let me know if if you still haven't commented. But that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Mask Network. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber mark by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.